Hello, my name is Jay Bradley and I'm with Applied Mechanical Solutions, and I'm here for the purpose of operator maintenance and safety training on the Energy Labs equipment. We are a Energy Labs factory certified trained operations, maintenance, service, warranty contractor. So we're going to go through this air handler and identify the maintenance and safety and operational procedures of the air handler. So first off, this is the single source power panel for the unit, and this is the main disconnect for the unit. When this disconnect is cycled off, it shuts off power to both the return fan, the low voltage circuitry, and the supply fan. Actually, this is the supply fan side, and the return fan is at the other end of the unit. So for the purposes of instruction, we're going to go ahead and secure the power. Normally, this light, when the unit is running in normal operation, this green light will be lit, indicating the main supply fans are running. So we're going to go ahead and secure power here. And there's a Lockout Safety hasp on the back of this. That we could then lock out here, and the unit's now safe to enter. So at this point, we can open up the door here. There we go. Once we have it off, we can actually lock it out right here, again inside the unit. And the unit could be worked on here with a lockout right on this. So line side voltage comes in here on the top, and the load side is on the below that on the molded case switch. This is not a circuit breaker, this is a molded case switch. So your circuit protection's all within the fuses, circuit breakers, and then building site safe lineup. So as far as other safeties for entering the unit, we have an access door here to the supply fan motors, and a door switch here. When this screw is screwed out, it interrupts the drives and allows that the drives are secured and off, and you can then enter into the supply fan motor cabinet and service the motors and inspect the motors. But to de-energize the unit, that's done here. Okay? So we have 4 supply fans. Each supply fan, all 4 supply fans are provided power through either the main VFD or the backup VFD. So one VFD provides power to 4 fans. So the switching on the 2 VFDs, you have a main your main VFD switch here. It goes from hand to auto. So in auto, it's being run by the building automation system. In hand, it's being run by a local operator right here at the unit. And then you have, likewise, for the backup VFD. So here's your backup VFD switchgear and your main. If you have a problem and the main VFD trips off for whatever reason, then you'll get an amber light here, and it'll automatically switch over to the backup VFD, and this light will be lit. Any problems with either one of the VFDs are reset here after the reset at the VFD human interface. and they can be reset out there. So concerning the electrical lineup, again, here's our three-phase 460 coming in here, goes through the molded case switch. Then we have load side fuses that are before the VFD, and then leaving the VFD, we have mechanically interlocked contactors, so that both VFDs can't run at the same time. So they're interlocked between those two contactors. And then further, we have on the load side, we have a circuit breaker and a fuse for all 4 motors. So the motors are protected by this set of fuses and those circuit breakers. The drives are protected by these fuses here. And then of course your control voltage transformers above. And your 110 circuit breakers above here are for your lighting circuit and your door switches, safety switches, and such. These 3 relays here provide the safety interlock, and then the second one is for the start-stop from the building automation system, I believe. And then the last one is for the door switch safeties. So, okay, but that's pretty much it for the single source power panel. So this panel, again, is single source power for the unit, and the supply fans are in this cabinet. Lastly, on the side of this unit, there's a vent right here that provides cold air from the discharge of the air handling unit to cool the cabinet. So this should always have cool 55, 60 degree air coming in from the unit to cool the VFDs, which have their own circulating fans, cabinet fans within them to keep air circulating through the VFDs. Maintenance-wise, any electronic components are usually suspect to moisture, vibration, and dirt. So we try to be aware that there's any vibration coming from the unit, any dirt being brought in through here or through here. Just keep dirt and dust out of the unit, keep the door seals clean and functioning. And then of course moisture, any moisture coming from the piping or roof or whatever should be kept out of the unit. And there should be no issues with that. After the first year, the only other maintenance thing involved with the cabinet would be to go through, secure the unit, and go through and tighten all the electrical and check for heat or vibration or any kind of high current conditions.